Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about credit cards and how credit cards pay me to own them. Now, when I was younger, like a lot of folks, I didn't use credit cards in a proper manner. I ran them up, couldn't pay them, ended up paying interest, and that is probably the worst thing that you can do with a credit card, as we all know. But when we're young, we don't always have a way to learn these things. And I'm hoping today with this video that if there are some people that are maybe younger and thinking about getting a credit card or don't use a credit card to their advantage, I just wanted to describe a few ways that I've learned to use mine and have my credit cards pay me. So my favorite credit card is the Home Depot. And as you can see in the slide, I've used the Home Depot many times. The first time I used it was in 2012 when we put a new kitchen in our house. And we went to see the Home Depot, and I remember sitting with the lady in the kitchen department. And she said, "How are you going to pay for this?" And I said, "Well, we'll pay cash." And she looked at me and said, "Well, why do you want to do that?" I said, "Well, because I have the money, so I want to just pay for it." She said, "Well, you can put it on your Home Depot card and we'll give you 18 months to pay for it, completely interest-free, no service charges, no fees, nothing." And I looked at her and I said, "Pardon me?" And she said, "Yeah, there's no fees, there's no service charge, there's no nothing. As long as you pay a certain amount of money each month and pay it off before the end of the 18-month period, there's absolutely no charge whatsoever." So, as you can see in the slide, I took the money, I invested it in Royal Bank of Canada stock, in my TFSA. So all the money that I gained on that transaction was completely interest-free, and I ended up making thousands of dollars in my TFSA over that 18-month period. And whenever I want to take that money out, it's completely tax-free, and it cost me absolutely nothing. Now, as you can see in the slide, the second time I used the Home Depot card was when we had to replace our furnace, air conditioner, and hot water heater. And same thing. I took that money, I invested it in my TFSA, and paid it off over that 18-month period in Royal Bank of Canada stock. And I made thousands of dollars again, interest-free, using Home Depot's money. And that's the secret to getting ahead in this world, is to use somebody else's money to earn money. As old Warren Buffett would say, if you've never heard of him, he's probably one of the best investors that ever lived, has always said that the only way you get ahead in life is when your money is earning money while you sleep. So that's a TFSA account. If you could take money that I would have paid to the Home Depot, put it in the TFSA, and while I'm sleeping, it's earning dividends. And I'm using somebody else's money to do it. So that's one great way to use a credit card. Now, credit cards come in all kinds of different flavors. You have cards that have no annual fees. You have cards that have annual fees. And sometimes it's okay to pay the annual fees because the benefits more than pay for those fees. An example, MasterCard has free travel insurance. So up to 30 days. So that free travel insurance would cost way more than the $96 a year that I pay for that card. The other thing on this particular MasterCard is that it has extended warranty. So anything that I purchase on this MasterCard, whether it be a computer, an iPad, whatever the case might be, it extends the factory warranty by 1 year on anything that I purchase on that card. Now, there's also cards that have cash back. So an example would be I use a cashback Visa to purchase all my groceries, gas, anything that I would be buying anyway, and I get a 3% cash back on everything that I put on that card. So I'm getting, in essence, a built-in discount on everything that I buy on that card. So there's all kinds of ways to make money off a credit card. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you some good ideas on how you can save money and make money from other people's money. And that's the secret to getting ahead in this world. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, as I'll be doing more videos down the road on ways to save you money, whether it be through taxes, credit cards, anything at all that I have come across that can help people save money and make more money. I will be making videos of that. Thank you and have a wonderful day.